Welcome to Background Hero. If you're passionate about dairy farming or just curious about top milk producers, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the top 5 dairy cow breeds that excel in milk production. At number 5, we have the Holstein Friesian. These iconic black and white cows are the most recognized breed worldwide. In 2024, Holsteins lead the pack with an impressive average milk production of about 22,000 liters per year. Their high yield makes them a staple in dairy farms everywhere. Coming in at number 4 is the Gerzy. Don't let their smaller size fool you. Jerseys are powerhouse milk producers with high butterfat content. In recent reports, they average around 8,000 liters of milk annually, which is perfect for producing rich cheeses and creamy butter. Number 3 is the Gerzy, known for its distinctive golden-hued milk. This breed averages about 7,000 liters of milk per year and is prized for the rich, nutrient-dense quality of its milk. Guernseys are a favorite for those who value quality over quantity. Next up at number 2 is the Brown Swiss. With a history stretching back thousands of years, this breed is celebrated for its strength and high milk yield. In 2024, Brown Swiss cows produce around 12,000 liters of milk annually, making them a robust choice for large dairy operations. And at number 1, we have the Ayrshire. Known for their efficiency and balanced milk composition, Ayrshires are top performers with an average production of 9,000 liters per year. Their milk is well regarded for its excellent balance of fat and protein. Each of these breeds brings unique strengths to dairy farming. Which breed do you think deserves the top spot? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Background Hero